All right, so people have some questions, and I actually had some questions myself about how we create one class so that we have multiple sections, so you don't have to copy all these assignments or recreate all the assignments. So I went in and I actually figured out how to do it. So I'm going to show you step by step. Super easy, way easier than I thought it was going to be. So it doesn't take very long at all. All right, so you create your first class, and when you create that first class, that's where you're going to go in and you're going to pick out all of those standards. So you only have to do that one time, but it's important that you have it exactly right for that first class, because what we're going to do is we're going to copy that class. So anything that is in the first class will be in the next classes as well. So after we've done that and we have all the standards picked out correctly, then when you go to the class dashboard, so you can see this is a test class, test one dashboard. When I click on class administration, you'll see a button that says duplicate class. And so we're going to use that duplicate class for the number of sections that you have. So I'm teaching an engineering class, which is not on ALEKS, but let's say I was teaching 3 sections of pre-calc. I would need to do two duplicates. And then you would have 3 total classes. So I'll duplicate class, and this will copy all of those standards so you don't have to go through and recheck off all the standards. And then you could just name it. You can either name it the same thing and then with a different section. So if I wanted to name it test again, I can name this one section 2. And then you do have to put in the start and end date again. But other than that, everything else should be copied. So then we just do save. And then you'll see that now you have 2 different classes that are the exact same. Okay, so then if you're creating assignments, how do you make sure that the assignments that you create for one section are assigned to the other classes? Well, that's actually super easy too. So if we go into assignments, so this is in test 1. I could do this in my test 2 if I wanted to. So let's say we created an assignment. So we created this homework assignment. So actually I'll have to do that real quick. So I'll create a new homework assignment and choose random questions. Okay. So now that I have a homework assignment, in order to copy it to my other sections, all I do is click on this checkbox, and then you can say it says duplicate, and then click on this duplicate drop-down menu and duplicate to another class. You'll choose my classes, and then you should see the other class. And now if I choose test 2, that's my second class that I just created, and click apply. Now, if I go to test 2, my other class, and I check the assignments, look at that, homework 1 is right there. Hope that helps out. If you have any other questions, just shoot me an email.